Abigail.
Taking
got
video.
this really nasty habit of opening other people's gifts.
Oh, she missed the camera.
Here, take a picture. Hey, push this button. Push.
Oh! Oh! Ow!
Here, push it.
You're a photographer! The first baby photographer.
She set a timer.
Oh, well.
She's very advanced.
She is. My goodness. Cutie. Oh, that's a cute picture. You silly little girl. Silly.
Ah. Take a picture of Mama. Oh, you setting the timer again? She is. Here, honey, you have to do a timer picture with her.